subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung seems to be working on its upcoming Galaxy S11 series, and recently we saw the CAD-based renders of Galaxy S11 smartphone, and now another CAD-based renders has surfaced online by Price Baba in partner with OnLeaks, which is said to be Galaxy S11E. The leak render shows the complete design of upcoming Galaxy S11E smartphone. Judging by the leak renders, the Galaxy S11E will have a curved display with a punch hole at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to be glass finish that carries vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner in rectangular module, including a sensor and LED flash. The volume rockers and power button are seen on the right edge, while the left is bare. The speaker grill along with the USB Type-C port are located at the bottom, and as expected, there won't be any 3.5mm audio jack on this phone. Notably, there is no physical fingerprint sensor present on this phone. That means the Galaxy S10e might feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 151.7 by 69.1 by 7.9mm. Talking about the specifications, according to rumors, the display of Galaxy S11e will measure in between 6.2 inch and 6.3 inch diagonally. The smartphone is reported to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset or Exynos 990 chipset. The phone will pack with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.0 storage. In terms of camera, there is no details revealed at present, but it is expected to include 108 megapixel main camera along with the wide-angle lens and telephoto lens. On the software front, the Galaxy S11e is set to run on latest Android 10 based on Samsung's One UI 2.0. The battery capacity of the phone is set to house around 4000 mAh. Now talking about the release date. The Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy S11e on February 11, 2020 along with the other Galaxy S11 series. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy S11e smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.